It is used to keep
Videoan din kita dyan, ah.
booking of tickets.
For the beast. Bagal natin.
Ano yan?
Yung registration and licensing fees
Database
is
available in the market.
debit.
MySQL, FoxPro,
Registration and
Oracle,
licensing expense kasi to kaya siya debit. Okay, expense siya kaya dito siya 800.
Ito,
Tapos naglabas ka ng cash, diba? Naglabas ka ng cash kaya credit. Ay, 8,000 mo. 800. Kaya 100. January 3. The company acquired tables, chairs, naging asset. Another fixtures, furniture and fixture, ang tawag.
Only in allowed.
Fixture
Allowed.
for
Ano ba
30,000.
to?
300. The entire amount was paid in cash. So, nag-invest ka sa asset. Kaya, debit. Yung furniture
Must change data
and
affected data only.
fixtures. Magkano? 30,300. 30,300. Tapos, naglabas ka ng cash. Kaya, credited. Credit. Nagbaba ka sa. So, it's at 30,300.
It protects and
So,
authorizes
for
database and makes it more secure.
LMS acquired service
Stored
equipment.
in only one place in the database.
Service equipment ba ilalagay ko? For 60,000 paid 50% down payment and the balance will be paid after 30 days.
It's a process of selecting, preparing,
Acquired.
extracting, and transforming data.
Paid
And permanently
acquired na
transferring
tanggap niya na.
with one computer
Service account equipment
storage system to another.
paid 50,000. So magiging
Sinasabi mo,
increase
lulutang na naman ako.
increase yan sa yung service equipment kasi increase sa asset yun, diba?
Extracting and transforming
Service
data. And permanently
Service
transferring
equipment.
to
equipment. So nag-increase siya sa sa asset kaya 60,000 is debit. Tapos
transferring yung keyword.
ano tawag dito? Accounts payable. Ay, nag-paid ng 50% down payment and the balance will be paid after 60 days. So, accounts, ano siya, accounts payable. Kasi kayo magbabayad.
Transforming
Tama ko.
full information with the help
Accounts
of
payable kasi, ano eh. Ay, hindi.
Parang receivable.
Hindi. Diba? Ang tawag dito?
ensure and user productivity.
Down payment and the balance will be paid after.
Payable
user
yun.
productivity.
Accounts payable, saan ba?
Ang key term natin doon ay
Oo, tama. Service equipment. Accounts payable na.
transformation.
Accounts,
Helpful information
accounts
with the help of
payable.
increase and
Paya-
user productivity. Key term helpful
So,
information.
ano siya ng 50%.
Various
Tapos,
levels of
ay,
authorization.
cash din.
access to
Ba't
data.
cash? May cash.
Various levels of authorization. access to data.
Service equipment
Many
niya,
remote
ganyan.
users
Tapos,
can
may
also
cash.
access the database simultaneously and share the data between themselves.
Cash.
Anong keyword ko doon? Bukod sa share?
Tapos, accounts payable.
Access.
Ewan ko kung ba't may cash, pero may cash. Tapos, yung cash is,
Chances of failure of
credit, i-credit, i-credit.
of all
Kasi,
database. Now, enumerate all the advantages of PBS.
lang. Yung
May
50%
credit
pala
kasi
ng
nabayaran na. Ay, babayaran.
alam ko na kung bakit. Yung cash, ito yung binayad mo, di ba? So, nilabas mo siya. Tapos, wait lang, ano bang kalahati ng ano? Kasi ito, 40, di ba? 40,000. Service equipment, ayun yung presyo. Eh, yung binayaran mo lang is kalahati lang ng 40,000, kaya may cash ka na binigay na 20,000. Tapos, yung accounts payable mo, which is yung kalahati, yung 50% niya, kaya may 20,000 na accounts payable. Tapos, 60,000. Baka lahat yung 60,000, 30,000. Ba't ko magkakalculate? So, 30,000 na binigay niya. Ay, credit yan. Kasi, binawas sa
40.
sa asset. Yung cash. Nagkano 30,000.
Pero mas tatanda mo.
Tapos, sa accounts payable naman, is liability siya. Yung liability sa normal balance niya is credit. Ang galing-galing naman. Tapos, transaction, January 3? January 5 pala. January 5. Tapos, sa January 7, Sunshine Event Services purchase service supplies on account amounting purchase. Sunshine Event Services purchase service supplies. Bumili sila. So, yung service supply is
And also,
debit
database is the backbone of
supplies on account
backbone of
amounting.
several advancement technologies. Hindi mo tinanong sa akin yun.
Ibig sabihin,
Wala naman ako nabasa.
One is the backbone of several
service supply.
advancement.
Ano siya, diba?
Kulang.
Purchase service supply on account amounting. Tapos cash.
Kulang. ABS lang yun.
Cash ba?
ABS.
Accounts payable to.
Database management.
Ay, on account pala. On account.
Galing nga.
Accounts payable. So, pagka sa account nagbayad, accounts payable, to service supply kasi nag-increase yung asset mo. So, 15,000. 15,300. Tapos, accounts payable kasi siya, liability. Ay, hindi pala. Nilabas mo, nag-decrease yung mo asset. Kaya credit. So, 15,300. Ba?
Tama yun.
Okay. So, on January 8, LMS received 25,000 for service rendered. So, nakatanggap ng cash. Cash na 25,000. Tapos, yung nirendered niya na yung service, kaya magiging magiging credit na siya kasi tatanggalin na siya, diba? Services.
Management complexity maintaining
Ano ba tawag nun?
integration of hardware and software.
Service revenue na kapag tapos unearned service revenue ba? Kapag hindi mo pa hindi mo pa nabibigay yung diba? Service, okay. Service revenue. Service revenue yung tawag kapag tawag dito, na-rendered mo na yung service mo, tapos sabayaran ka lang. Yung cash ito. So, 25,000. Ano ba? 25,000. Tapos, January 9. LMS 9 is LMS rendered services on account.
Malapit na premise.
42,500 as per the customer agreement. The amount will be collected after 5 days. So, may agreement sila ng customer na customer magbabayad pa after 5 days. So, magiging account receivable siya. Kasi sinabi din dito is on account. Diba? Na-rendered na. Account receivable is yun, debit kasi matatanggap. Account receivable kasi yung account matatanggap na. Account receivable. January na.
Replacement cycle.
Account receivable.
Huge dimensions. Isolation.
Receivable. Account receivable na 42,400. 42,500. Tapos,
Dimensions and
yung
data isolations. So there are 7
na-rendered mo yung services mo, kaya service revenue na siya.
Cost. Second one
Gets.
is management complexity. The third one is
2,500.
fourth one is
Tapos, January 10,
hardware and software.
LMS receive advance payment.
Wind upgrade or
So, prepaid, to? Prepaid. Ano ba yan? Receive advance payment for service to be rendered in ayun, unearned service revenue, di ba? Service to be rendered in February. Receive advance payment. So, ano to? Liability, di ba? Debit siya. Ay, credit. Receive advance payment for service to be rendered.
Pwede ka na agad.
Unearned.
Sa disadvantages mo.
Ay, oo, kasi naka-receive ka na pero hindi mo pa nare-render. Okay. Cash, kasi may pumasok na sa'yo na cash. Sa January 10. Which is 80,000. 80,000. 80,000. Tapos, yung unearned
Database management software to work for
service
a lot
revenue.
of this base.
Service
This base
revenue.
It needs extra
So,
software.
unearned service
And the software
revenue
needs storage.
na 80,000 din.
Dimension.
Kasi hindi mo pa nabibigay. Liability siya sa
IBM is
customer.
made to handle
So,
extremely
sa
huge
January
data.
10, kasi January 11
But
naman,
due to its
rendered services to big corporation
data
as
is
per the
made to
agreement. The
handle extremely
34,000
huge
amount
data
due
and
will be
queries,
collected
but due to
after.
its
So, nakapag-render na tayo ng service. So, may
Ulit nga.
to,
BBM is
standard
made to handle
services. So,
extremely
may service
huge
revenue na.
and queries,
Service
but due to its
revenue.
Ano pa rin yun?
Revenue.
huge data.
Huge dimension.
Meron na. Tapos,
Next,
ay,
BBM's
hindi pa na.
vendors frequently
Ay, tama, tama. Tapos account receivable.
Frequent upgrade already.
Receivable. Kasi,
Frequent
rendered services as per the agreement. The amount will be due collected after 30 days. Katulad neto.
Isolation.
Accounts receivable. Account receivable. Wait lang, account receivable pa rin ba yun, di ba, kapag basta hindi babayaran pa? Parang nakapag-rendered ka ng services kasi babayaran niya pa after.
future.
Oo. So, account receivable yun. Service revenue.
High configuration is needed to operate
34,000. 34,000. Kasi nakapag-rendered na tayo ng service pero doon niya palang babayaran sa after 30 days pa. So, account receivable sa ano pa siya sa tawag dito.
requires sophisticated hardware and software highly skilled personnel.
Kasi may account receivable natin.
The maximum
Bakit ganun? Dari sila
of database system.
sa'yo yan. So, may account receivable.
Maintaining
11.
currency.
Rendered services to as per the agreement 34,000.
And companies, resources, and culture. Due to the large range of functions it offers, a database project its ability to increase.
Receivable service revenue.
Enumerate.
Ay, pala, ilalabas na pala kasi
Ah.
na-rendered mo na, ilalabas mo pala. Ako, okay. Account.
Management complexity. Maintaining
Dito pa pala yung sa kasi magiging kita mo siya.
hardware and software.
Tapos ito, na-rendered mo na yung kaya ilalabas mo na siya sa, mo, sa journal mo. Yung service revenue.
Huge dimension.
So, magiging credit siya.
Enumerate the advantages.
34,000, tapos 34,000.
Minimal.
So, sa 15, collected from the customer in the transaction collected from the customer in transaction 9. Sa transaction 9, nakapag-render na tayo ng services. As per the customer agreement, the amount will be collected after 5 days.
Increase.
So, 42,000. Sa, sa 9, account receivable.
Enumerate the key pictures.
So, ano nangyayari?
Always.
Paano nga yun? nangyayari?
Always ordered. Databases entered in. It is
Accounts
it is
receivable.
stored only once. Is a
Ito,
retrieval for
receivable.
information.
Service revenue. So, natin, nalabas na natin. So, saan na?
Made up with fields, files, and records and files.
Accounts receivable. Isang ba?
Characteristics. Huli mo na.
Wala, hindi ko kung ano yun.
Ito.
May magbabayad na ng
Dito pa ako sa types.
Transaction pwede ba? Transaction
6 yun. Ay, 7.
7 pala. Consumption 7.
Bayaran mo.
Transaction 10. Ay, cash. Cash yung ano.
Tinatamad mo.
Bakit cash?